This Royal Reserve Whiskey Decanter gift set was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and showing everything that comes included, plus filling the decanter so you can see how it looks. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, so it definitely has that gift-ready presentation right out of the box. As I'm taking everything out, you can see all the pieces included in the set. You get the glass decanter, matching whiskey glasses, chilling stones, coasters, and even a set of tongs for the stones. It's a full set, which is really nice because you don't have to buy anything separately. The decanter itself has a really clean, classic design that feels solid and well made. It holds about 750 milliliters, so it's a good size for a standard bottle. In the video, I show the decanter up close, and then I go ahead and fill it so you can see how it looks once it's actually being used. Once it's filled, it really gives that classic whiskey setup look. It's definitely something that would look great on a bar cart or shelf. The glasses also match the style of the decanter, so everything looks cohesive as a set. The chilling stones are a nice addition too, especially if you want to keep your drink cold without watering it down. And having the tongs and coasters included just makes it feel like a complete package. In the video, I'm focusing on showing each piece up close and then how it all comes together once the decanter is filled. Overall, this is a really nice set. It looks great, feels very high quality, and comes with everything you need. It would make a really good gift or just something nice to have for your own setup.